Hi everyone, Sab Bhala Changa. Welcome to this session or this episode of Love Thy RCs. There's an author, Isabella Brennan or somebody. We are going to review her work. So this is connected to literature. Roll up your sleeves and we are going to roll. So this is gospel. I hope you're familiar with these points by now. In case you have a doubt regarding any of these, you know where to find me. Get in touch with me and I'll help you understand what this is. वैसे तो मैं हर सेशन में बताती ही चली जाती हूँ मेन आइडिया क्या है, मैप द पैसेज. If you sit with me for the session, like you'll be able to see how I'm explaining the main idea to you, how we map the passage, how we check the flow, है ना. Important zones भी डिस्कस करती हूँ, सारे डिस्कस करती रहती हूँ हर सेशन में. Okay. Types of questions तो बहुत ही important है समझना. So Isabella Brennan's work. Isabella है, Isabella है, जो भी है, I'll call her Isabella. Now, okay, genre. This is literary criticism. So probably it's somebody's work and then there are critics who are bringing it down. So, ये passage का first para है. This is the second para, pretty long. Oh my God, no, I'm not going to read it. दो ही paras है. So the second para should not be read in entirety. You can skim a little bit somewhere in the middle. I'll show you how. Questions क्या है पहले ये देख लेते हैं. Main idea. Okay? बहुत लंबे लंबे options के साथ. It can be inferred from the passage that Brennan chose Thackeray as a literary model. This is a specific point question. It can be inferred from the passage that the most probable reason Brennan realistically describes the social setting. Again, connected to a specific point, social setting, देख लेंगे. The passage supplies information for answering which of the following questions. Connected with the main idea. Okay, तो पहले हम इसमें main idea solve करेंगे. इसमें sequence बहुत important होता है. Main idea solve करेंगे. Then I would want to solve question number 4 and then move on to 2 and 3. Why? Because if you do it in the right sequence, the previous question acts as a step for the next one. So you have that advantage. Okay, चलिए. ये कहना क्या चाह रहा है? Isabella Brennan's provocative statement, sounds like Rakhi Sawant, about her intentions in writing the hours, capital T, capital H, so probably some novel, some book, has regularly been ignored by the critics. What were her intentions in writing this? Reminds me of Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie का एक आया था, Midnight's Children था. So बहुत उस पे चला था. तस्लीमा नसरीन की एक बुक आई थी, शेम या लज्जा, वही था, सेम थिंग. बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल. So तब यही पूछा जाता था उन लोगों से, what were your intentions in writing this? और इसका सलमान रश्दी का, by how can I forget the satanic verses that had created an uproar. So the hours had regularly been ignored by the critics. Since it highlights an aspect of a literary interest very different from the traditional picture of concern with examining blah 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 blah. Difficult language है वहां पे, फंसो मत. आगे बढ़ जाओ. She says what? She says, okay, I want to criticize the social system. पूछा जा रहा था intentions. Ignored by the critics. It highlights what? Literary interests different from traditional picture. Traditional के against कोई भी जाएगा. That will be criticized. She says, I want to criticize the social system. Sounds like me. And to show it at work at its most intense. That was her intention. But Isabella Brennan was a realistic as well as a poetic novelist. Okay? A satirist and social critic बहुत कुछ थी. आगे बढ़ जाओ. Literary critics' cavalier dismissal. Cavalier is careless, brushed aside. Dismissal of Brennan's social vision will not withstand scrutiny. In her novels, she is deeply engaged by the questions of how individuals are shaped by the पूरा सब social environment से बोला ना. She said she wanted to criticize the social setting. How historical forces impinge, class, wealth, gender, सब कुछ, most of her novels rooted in this social setting. हो गया खत्म. So this is something about her work. People asked her intention. She said she wanted to criticize the social setup, the setting, and her novels mainly centered around class, society, wealth, how people were shaped or rather deformed by society. हो गया first para, summed it up neatly. Second para क्या कहेगा? The main idea तो मुझे वहां से मिल गया. But what is given here? Brennan's focus on society has not been generally recognized because of her intense opposition to propaganda in art. Her hostility to this, right? Even if you didn't understand it, keep it in mind that she has not been recognized because of this. Question होगा, words ले लेंगे यहाँ से. The pictures of reformers are usually blah blah, even when Brennan okay something. Now I'm skimming. Okay. Her diary notes the only honest people. तो उसके पहले का समझ में आ गया. वो सबको honest बोलती है, सब dishonest. Right? सब cheats हैं. सब क्या कहते हैं उसको, चापलूस हैं. Okay. The only honest people are the artists. ये पढ़ के ही समझ गए. Whereas these social reformers and philanthropists, discreditable desires, okay, so they purportedly behave in a way in the society. They try to show, it's just a facade. Actually, kuch aur hai. She doubts the ulterior motives. She says that everybody has that, selfish motives, ulterior motives. Detested what she called preaching. Okay, something own social criticism. नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ मैं ये सब. Fiction, contemplative, okay, social issues. Reader's work, all right. As a moralist, subtly undermining officially, Moore's mocking suggestion, okay, satirist art. I'll read from here now. You must be wondering, if I have skimmed all this, how am I going to connect with the questions? आएंगे questions के लिए. हमें पता यहीं से तो connected होगा, और है कहाँ जगह इसमें. So just keep calm. यहाँ क्या कह रहा है? Brennan's literary models were acute social observers like this, as Thackeray. Question connected. As she put it in the common reader, it is safe to say that not a single law has been framed for one stone set upon another because of anything Thackeray said or wrote. Okay, we are absorbing like Thackeray chose to understand well. Okay, done. Last, ये देख लो, a decision crucial in order to produce art rather than polemic. Language तो आपको समझ आएगा नहीं वैसे भी, because vocabulary आपकी weak है. Polemic is argument, लड़ाई. A decision crucial in order to produce art rather than ladai jhagda. So we have got these two paragraphs. समझने का ज्यादा इसमें कुछ भी नहीं, because it is all philosophical language. Okay, so straight away go to the questions. Main idea से start करेंगे हम. ठीक है? Now, okay, consider the main idea of the passage. First one. Do we need to go back for this right now? No. पढ़ तो लिया हमने. ठीक है? So, poetry and satire as dominant influences on the novels of this. Poetry and satire as dominant influences. तो society वाला point कहाँ गया? So I'm going to look for an option that has society. Out. A commentary on Isabella Brennan's role as a critic of this. Was this the main idea? Is this a commentary? Trends in contemporary reform movements as a key to understanding. Okay, I'll keep this and this. Two eliminated. Isabella Brennan's novels being critical reflections, nice word, on the individual and on society. This is exactly what she has discussed. This is your answer. Right. Why is 3 eliminated? Trends in contemporary reform movements as a key to understanding this. Only trends? Where is the society thing? The contemporary reform movements, the society shapes individuals. यहाँ क्या बोला है इसने? The last 3 lines of the first para always, more often than not, contain the main idea. Deeply engaged by this, they are shaped or deformed by this, how historical forces impinge, intrude on people's lives, how they affect people's lives, how class, wealth, gender, people's fates, rooted in realistically rendered social setting. Right? So this is connected directly with this. Not contemporary reform movements. Clear? Then which one would I do? I would go to this, definitely. Question number 2. Okay. The passage supplies information for answering which one. Okay. So let's eliminate. Have literary critics ignored the social criticism inherent in the work of Turgenev and Thackeray? Okay. Now, we are not connecting it, we are not taking the main idea here. It can be related to one paragraph. Pucha khali kya hai? Supplies information for answering which of the following questions. So, have literary critics ignored the social criticism inherent in the work of this and this? एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं ऑप्शंस, ये तो लास्ट पैरा में है. Does the author believe that Brennan is solely an introspective and visionary novelist? Or is she more than that? Solely this. So the passage goes on to explain that no, she is not solely an introspective and visionary. Maybe she is something else. देख सकते हैं. What are the social causes with which Brennan shows herself to be sympathetic in her writings? Social causes. Social word आया. Attractive लग रहा है ये. Brennan shows herself to be sympathetic. Is she actually sympathetic? Those causes in her writing? Was R.M. Foster as concerned as Brennan was with creating realistic settings for his novels? You know what I would do here? सबसे पहले I'll take this and go back and check कि ये correct है या नहीं, इसका आंसर मिल रहा है कि नहीं. R.M. Foster as concerned as Brennan was realistic settings और Thackeray, दोनों का पॉइंट आपको जहां पर भी दिखे, you can safely stop there and check. So Brennan's focus, Thackeray तो हमें पता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, whereas something R.M. Foster given here. Let's just read this point. Okay. Whereas these social reformers and philanthropists harbor, रखते हैं मन में, discreditable desires under the disguise of loving their folks, their peers. Brennan detested what she called preaching in fiction too, and criticized novelists this, among others, for working by this method. So if she criticized Foster for working by that method, क्या ऐसा होगा? He was as concerned as Brennan was for creating realistic settings. They were they were doing opposite things. तभी तो वो उसको criticize कर रही थी. So this is definitely eliminated. Thackeray वाला देख लो आप. Turgenev and Thackeray. Have literary critics ignored the social criticism inherent in the work of this? So go back. It's safe to say that not a single law has been framed or one stone set upon another because of anything Thackeray said or wrote. And yet as we read him, Turgenev, Thackeray, यहाँ पर वो भी देख लेते हैं. So यहाँ बोला है, calling into question rather than asserting, advocating, bearing witness. Hers is the satirist's art. Satirist is who? Somebody who makes fun of the society as a whole, the entire system. उस पे like तंज करना and satire उस पे लिखना. Satirist art. Brennan's literary models were acute social observers like Turgenev and Thackeray. As she put it in this, not a single law, okay, said or wrote. We are absorbing morality at every pore. This, no. Our passage doesn't try to answer this, whether they have ignored the social criticism of this. Thackeray का अलग से कुछ जिक्र है और इन दोनों का साथ में वहां पे जिक्र है that she did not like या कुछ इस तरह का एक point था. So this is eliminated. Right? We are left with these two. Does the author believe that Brennan is solely an introspective and visionary novelist? I'm going to check these. What are the social causes with which Brennan shows herself to be sympathetic? ठीक है, चलिए आपको एक चीज दिखाती हूँ इसमें. Focus on society has not been generally recognized because of her intense antipathy to propaganda in art. So besides being just a reflective or whatever उसने बोला है, she was also actively involved in this. The pictures of this are satiric and sharply critical. Even when Brennan is fundamentally sympathetic to their causes. एक और option जो बोला है, So even when she is fundamentally sympathetic to their causes, she portrays people anxious to reform their society and this, unaware of how the political ideas serve this. So she is also exposing the society. She is also trying to show how people are morally corrupt, right? So ये वाला जो question है आपका, what are the social causes with which? Sympathetic. The passage doesn't go on to explain what the social causes are. So ये eliminated है, and this is your answer. Does the author believe that she is solely this? No, she was much more than that. Cool? पूरा passage ने वही explain किया है. So we are done with this. वो हो गया, ये हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. अभी कौन सा करेंगे इसमें? Most probable reason realistically ये करेंगे या ये करेंगे? हाँ, ये कर लेते हैं पहले. So this is, it can be inferred from the passage that Brennan, I'll do this third, ठीक है? Brennan chose Thackeray as a literary model because she believed that. Okay. यहाँ है literary models, right? I'm going to read that zone. यहाँ से यहाँ. ठीक है? As a moralist, somebody who decides between right and wrong, somebody who has high ethical standards. Brennan works by indirection, subtly undermining officially accepted rules. Indirection means अपनी मनमर्जी से करती है. She breaks laws, subtly undermining officially accepted rules and conventions, mocking, suggesting, calling into question rather than asserting, advocating, bearing witness. There's a colon here. Hers is the satirist art. Satirist क्या करता है? Directly contradict नहीं करेगा, तंज मारेगा. Tons is taunt. Okay. Then it says over there, Brennan's literary models were acute social observers. People who were involved with the society, with whatever was happening in the society. So she chose him because he was an acute social observer. As she put it in The Common Reader, it is safe to say that not a single law has been framed or one stone set upon another because of anything that he said or wrote. Means whatever he said or wrote has not been so has not been so controversial as to have caused some kind of a law to come up on that. Okay? Framed or this. And yet as we read him, we are absorbing morality at every pore. Like Thackeray, she chose to understand as well as to judge, to know her society, root and branch, and पूरा. इतना तक तो clear हो गया. This much is enough for us to go back and look for the answer. Let's eliminate. Thackeray was the first English author to focus on society as a whole as well as on this. Not given, right? So this can be eliminated safely. Thackeray was an honest and forthright author, whereas novelists like Foster did not wish to change society. Faulty comparison. इस comparison की वजह से उसने थोड़ा लिया. And he was honest and forthright? No. She said he was a social क्या था? Social observer, acute social observer. But whatever he had said or written did not create laws or did not force people to come up with laws, yet he was there observing things in the society. So honest and forthright, not exactly. Moreover, comparing him with Foster on this particular parameter, wrong. This can be eliminated. Thackeray was more concerned with understanding his society than with calling its accepted mores into question. She chose him as a model, literary model, because he was more concerned with understanding his society than we cannot infer from there whether he wanted to call the conventions into question or not. यहाँ देखो कुछ तो दिया है. We are absorbing morality at every pore. Like Thackeray, दोनों में similarity point है ये. Chose to understand as well as to judge. Okay, to know her society root and branch. A decision crucial which was needed in order to produce art rather than सिर्फ लड़ाई, सिर्फ criticism करके, बकवास करके. It was more important to produce art this way, right? So if you go with this, Thackeray was more concerned with understanding his society than with calling its accepted mores into question. नहीं, ये part हमें नहीं पता. We cannot infer. This is given. Like Thackeray, she wanted to understand society. She wanted to watch it at close quarters. But this, Dan calling, not exactly. और वैसे भी इन दोनों के बीच में अब आप इसको पढ़ के देखो. Thackeray's writings were greatly, if subtly, effective in having an influence on the moral attitudes of his readers. Moral attitudes of his readers. Why? I'll take you back. यहाँ देखो इसने दिया है. As she put it, it is safe to say that not a single law has been framed or something. That means when we read him, okay, I mean that means he has not broken too many rules. He has not kind of created a furore. Yet as we read him, so reading, मतलब you know when we are reading him, तो जैसे उसका क्या कहते हैं उसको readers वगैरह भी, we are absorbing morality at every pore. बोला तो है ये. It is important for his readers, okay, ये moral वाला, if subtly effective in having an influence on the moral attitudes of his readers. So करना क्या होता है लास्ट में जब दो बचते हैं, you have to take one and try to prove it. I tried to prove this and yes, this matches what is given there. So 4 is your answer to this. ठीक है, चलिए लास्ट वाला कर लेते हैं. It can be inferred from the passage that the most probable reason Brennan realistically describes the social setting in the majority was that she what? So, social setting, majority of her novels. I think we can go to the first para for this. ये होगा, है ना? Hours, okay. Reverie, vision, okay. I want to criticize the social system and show it at work. Okay. At its most intense, realistic as well as a poetic novelist, a satirist, okay. Cavalier dismissal of this will not withstand scrutiny, okay. Okay, yeah. In her novels, Brennan is deeply engaged by the questions of how individuals are shaped or whatever, how historical forces this. Most of her novels are rooted in this. Connected with society, simple. So, was aware that contemporary literary critics considered the novel to be the most realistic of literary genre. Most realistic. Extreme. We can mark this with a red flag या eliminate कर सकते हो फिलहाल. Was interested in the effect of a person's social environment on his or her character and actions. It's given there. अभी मैंने जो lines पढ़े. This is good. Needed to be as attentive to detail as possible in her novels in order to support the arguments. Attentive to detail. This is not there. Social detail, yes, but attentive to detail, what type? Wanted to show that a painstaking fidelity, honesty, loyalty in the representation of reality did not in any way hamper the artist. This is wrong because it says very clearly society affected a person. It could create a person or it could distort a person. So this is eliminated. Actually, we would be left with 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, now just take 1 and prove. So 2 is good as your answer. I hope all the explanations are clear, guys. Maza aaya process of elimination mein. Join me again for the next session. अगर आपके 10 से 15 नहीं हुए, 10 तो कम है, 15 कम से कम चाहिए आपको मेरे साथ ये sessions, and then you will be like very fluent, very fluid with your RC movement. Take care. I'm going to see you again. Bye-bye.